Hey champs! Let's have a quick look on how you can add your social media accounts on SocialChamp. Simply log into your SocialChamp's account with your credentials. Once you're on SocialChamp's dashboard, go to the top left corner and click on Add Social Accounts. Here you can view the options to add your desired accounts from the integrated social media networks with SocialChamp. Let's assume you wish to add a Facebook page to your SocialChamp's account. Tap on the plus sign displayed on the Facebook page icon. You will be redirected to log into Facebook and choose to continue with your mentioned account. Allow SocialChamp to access all your Facebook pages and groups and done. Choose one or as many Facebook pages you wish to add, and there you go. Connect your Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn profiles and pages, Pinterest boards, and even Google My Business accounts with a single tap. Just simply enter your credentials and you are through. Happy posting, champs!